Ducks and geese belong to the same family, Anatidae. These waterfowls hang around lakes, rivers, and waterfalls. They both have broad, flat beaks, waterproof feathers, and webbed feet. They look pretty similar to each other, so people may sometimes mistake one for the other. Then, how can we distinguish them? One of the clear differences between ducks and geese is their size, as geese are much larger than ducks. Ducks are 12 to 20 inches long, and they weigh about 1.5 to 3 pounds. Geese are 23.6 to 50 inches long and weigh between 3.3 to 17 pounds. Although they look similar to some extent, ducks and geese still have different body shapes. Ducks have stout and rounded bodies, but geese have long bodies. The legs and necks that ducks have are shorter than that of geese. The length of the necks is relevant to the number of bones that they have in that area. Ducks only have 16 or fewer vertebrae in their necks, but geese have between 17 and 23. Another difference in their physical appearances is their bills. Ducks have longer, wider, and flatter bills than geese do. A goose bill is comparatively short, narrow, and pointed. Ducks and geese have different color patterns. Ducks usually have bright and colorful feathers, which can be green, blue, brown, black, etc. Male and female ducks each have clearly different color patterns, so it's easy to tell one from the other. Males are more brightly colored than females. Unlike ducks, goose plumage is not very colorful. The color is often in shades of white, black, and gray. Both males and females look almost identical. Although this is influenced by the particular species, ducks and geese usually make different sounds to communicate with others. Ducks make quacking sounds, and they are usually more vocal than geese. Geese, on the other hand, generally make honking sounds. Their diets are also different. Ducks are omnivores, so they consume different types of food, ranging from plants to meat. They eat grasses, aquatic plants, insects, snails, worms, fish, etc. Different from ducks, geese are herbivores, so they rely solely on plants. They eat vegetation that grows on land and in the water. Geese and ducks are both monogamous, but their reproduction patterns are different. This begins from the mating stage. Ducks are monogamous only during the breeding season, so they will find a new mate next breeding season. However, geese are completely monogamous, so they only have a single partner for their entire life. Geese have been known to experience depression if their mate dies. In addition, female ducks usually lay between 5 and 18 eggs and take care of their ducklings without the help of the male. However, female geese lay between 2 and 7 eggs, and both parents share the responsibility of caring for their goslings. Their personalities are also generally different. Ducks are known to be gentle and docile, and they are easily frightened. On the other hand, geese tend to be more aggressive and territorial. They are also loyal, so domestic geese can serve as guard animals. The migration patterns of geese and ducks have differences as well. Most duck species are not migratory. However, certain species in the upper northern hemisphere do. Geese are migratory birds, so they travel up to 3,000 miles to stay in warm areas. When they migrate, they fly in V formations to save energy. Although it depends on the species, as well as various other factors, geese normally live longer than ducks. The average lifespan of wild ducks is 7 to 10 years, but this can extend up to 15 years in captivity. Geese can live between 10 and 15 years in the wild and up to 30 years in captivity. Now you know how to tell the differences between ducks and geese. That's all I have for today. Thank you.